Okay, so we have our 4-pack here filled with our Jiffy Seed starting mix. And today is January the 28th. And we are going to be planting our Greek oregano seeds. Now this is a perennial in zones 4 to 9. And you can harvest it in about 80 to 90 days. So direct seeding this out into your garden is definitely, sorry about that, not recommended. So I will show you what oregano seeds look like. They're very small and they need light to germinate, so we're not going to be covering these at all. So that's what oregano seeds look like. They're actually smaller than coli seeds. And what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be putting the seeds on top of the soil. As soon as it gets unstuck off my finger here. And I will divide these then. I'm just kind of putting some in. I'm not really counting how many I'm putting in. So I'm just like sprinkling them over the top of the soil there. And these take about 7 to 14 days to germinate. And I did pre-chill my seeds. I keep my seeds in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. I take them out when I need them. And I plant what I need and then I put the rest back in the refrigerator. And you can kind of plant these in groups if you want a fuller plant. And when I bought these seeds, I believe the germination rate was like 80%. So, which I didn't know that when I bought them. I found that out after I received them in the mail. So I'm just kind of sprinkling some on top, some extras, to make sure that we get some of what we need. Okay, so we have our seeds sown, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to just mist the top of them with water, because that's going to settle our seeds in for us, and then I'm going to label it. And Greek oregano, I really like this one. It has a really strong flavor to it. Now, if you grow it and like your soil is too fertile, or if it gets too much water, it will actually wash the flavor away. So you want to make sure that you don't overwater your herbs. And they like well-drained soil. So I will put this under our lights and I will come back and show you. Okay, so because these need light to germinate, I put these on the edge of one of the grow boxes, and the fluorescent light, it's on for 14 hours a day. I use the sunshine or day length bulbs. That's going to give these the light that they need to germinate. So I put a lid on top of them. It's not a tight fitting lid, but it'll let enough light through for them to germinate for us. So when they start germinating, I will come back with another video and I will show you what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.